Introducing the all-new Crystal Gaze fortune-telling crystal ball. Make sure to ask a parent to help you unbox and set it up. Discover 3 interactive modes for endless fun. Fortune gazing. Press the pink button to activate. Hold both hands on the base. The ball will swirl as it senses your aura and will then flash between 2 colors. We got red and yellow. That is Radiant Ember. Match the colors to one of the fortune crystals and display it on the base or wear it as a necklace. Truth telling. Press the blue button. Ask your question aloud and hold both hands on the base. Should I buy myself a new pair of shoes? It's saying yes. The ball will reveal green for yes, yellow for maybe, or red for no. Auralite. Press the yellow button and tap the sides to change color, creating a mystical vibe. Which color is your favorite? So what are you waiting for? What will your fortune be? Visit toymonster.net for more.